The Aga Khan Development Network has been working in India for more than 100 years with one key aim: to make people's lives better. Across the country, millions of people each year are helped in hundreds of different ways.
These efforts have been greatly valued in India. We see these as symbols of His Highness's vision for the world, a vision that is imbued with the true spirit of compassion, humanism, and social conscience. These are truly the hallmark of Islam.
When the network first began, India was not yet independent and had not benefited from the decades of economic growth that have now made it one of the world's fastest-growing economies. The needs were acute, especially in poor rural areas. AKDN's health programs have helped save countless lives. Recent examples include rural mother and child projects in Bihar that have reached 800,000 people and cut infant mortality rates. And the modern Prince Ali Khan Hospital in Mumbai has been treating India's people since 1945. This acute care multi-speciality facility is particularly renowned for its treatment of cancer and heart disease. AKDN's work begins with the fundamentals like housing and sanitation. Because a house can be more than just a home. It can be a building block in constructing a better life.
If a man is enabled to buy or rent a reasonable roof over his head, he will have been provided with the first vital ingredient of his self-respect.
The AKDN has helped improve building safety standards and brought household sanitation, safe drinking water, and effective waste disposal to thousands of people. In these communities, this has led to a big reduction in waterborne and respiratory diseases and in women's reproductive health problems. Water management is a vital issue in India, especially in coastal areas where seawater has encroached on freshwater supplies. The AKDN has pioneered solutions, helping communities build and maintain irrigation systems and dams and repair thousands of wells. Its work in southern Gujarat has helped restore the area's water table, reaching more than 1 million people in over 1,200 villages. Another fundamental commitment is to education, helping a new generation to build a better future. This school in Mundra, Gujarat was the first school to open in 1905. Even then, the network put a strong emphasis on women's education, and girls were taught alongside their brothers.
It was just about a century ago that my grandfather, Sir Sultan Muhammad Shah Aga Khan, began to build a network of educational institutions in places where the Ismaili community had settled.
Today, AKDN operates more than 115 educational facilities and works with nearly 300 public schools to improve teaching and learning. AKDN works at every level of the education system, from preschool to secondary, from public to private. The Aga Khan Academy in Hyderabad gives a world-class international baccalaureate education to gifted students from all backgrounds, regardless of their ability to pay.
The well-led society of the future, in my view, will be a meritocracy, where leadership roles are based on personal and intellectual excellence. Our goal, then, is not to provide special education for a privileged elite, but to provide an exceptional education for the truly exceptional.
For the AKDN, improving quality of life also means helping communities to boost their finances. For decades, it has supported community-based savings groups and cooperative societies. Some of them eventually merged to create the Development Credit Bank. It has grown into a fully fledged commercial bank, providing advanced corporate finance services at one end of the spectrum, while continuing to help cooperative society borrowers. The AKDN's cultural program has restored the grandeur of the Humayun's Tomb complex in New Delhi. It has helped save a vital monument to India's pluralist society and history. But the project involves much more than conservation and archaeology. It has significantly improved the lives of 20,000 local people, training craftsmen in traditional skills, boosting employment, and improving health and sanitation. A second conservation project is now underway at the vast Qutb Shahi Tomb complex in Hyderabad, which it's hoped will spur similar cultural, social, and economic advances. A century on, the Aga Khan Development Network is as hard at work in India as ever. At its heart are the ethics of compassion, a deep-seated commitment to helping those in need, and a fundamental faith in the power of individuals and civil society to improve the quality of life.
महामहिम शहजादा करीम आगा खान समाज सेवा।